Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set press volume key to zoom in or out on Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, you can see the useful features. Here in useful feature section, you can see the shooting methods. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the shooting methods. In shooting method, you can see the press volume key 2. Okay, to set the press volume key to zoom in or out on your Samsung Galaxy A02 camera, you'll have to do is tap this and the pop-up bar show. Okay, you'll have to do is select this zoom in or out, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the press volume key to zoom in or out on your Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.